Hi everyone, I'm Danny. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the electrical and control systems on the AIII series. Step 1. Remove the seat. First, remove the butterfly bolts under the seat and take off the seat. Step 2. Remove the battery. Next, remove the battery. Start by loosening the rubber strap that secures the battery. Slide the battery out to expose the wiring harness. Then, disconnect the main power plug and the charging plug, and remove the battery. Step 3. Remove the controller. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws that secure the controller. Slide the controller out to expose the wiring harness. Disconnect each connector from the controller and remove it. Step 4. Remove the motor. First, remove the rear chain guard. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to unscrew the 4 bolts securing the chain guard and remove it. Then, loosen the rear axle nut. Open the right motor cover using a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the motor mounting bolts. Loosen the chain and open the left motor cover to take out the motor. Step 5. Remove the throttle. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to loosen the throttle mounting bolt. Ensure that the throttle wire is disconnected from the controller. Slide the throttle out and remove it. Step 6. Install the new throttle. Take the new throttle and slide it onto the right side of the handlebar. Adjust its position and tighten the mounting bolt using a 3mm Allen wrench. Run the control wire through the main frame mounting hole. We will connect the wires later. Step 7. Install the new motor. Install the new motor from the left side of the bike frame. Secure it with the 4 bolts. Attach the chain and adjust the rear wheel jack to maintain a chain slack of about 0.5 cm. Tighten the rear axle nut. Route the main power connection wire to the controller area. We will connect the wires later. Step 8. Install the controller and connect the wiring. First, connect the motor wires. Insert the 4 sets of motor wires into the corresponding ports on the controller, paying attention to the direction and color of the main power wires. Next, connect the throttle wires to the corresponding ports on the controller. Note that the controller has reserved ports: 2 white 6-pin connectors and 2 black 2-pin connectors. After organizing the wiring harness, secure the controller to the frame and tighten the mounting screws. Step 9. Install the battery. Connect the battery power cable, yellow plug, to the controller. Connect the charging cable to the charging port. Place the battery into the frame and secure it with the rubber strap. Step 10. Electrical system testing. Turn on the power and check if the system is working properly. The throttle display should light up, indicating normal power supply. Twist the throttle to see if the motor is running. If the rear wheel rotates, the motor is functioning correctly. Once everything is tested, reattach the rear chain guard and side panels. Finally, reinstall the seat. This completes the replacement of the electrical and control systems on the MXE series. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.